In this video, we're going to talk about an open invitation. So if you're interested in finding out more about this, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump right into this video. I want to invite you to an open invitation challenge. Now I host this annually and I do it for each season of the year. And the title of this collaboration is the Winter Fireplace Challenge 2020. Now, the host of this challenge is myself, of course, Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Now, my rules are very simple for this challenge, and they are as listed. Mention all the hosts in your video. Must be a subscriber to his or her channel. You must include the channel link and the playlist in the description box. And you must include the hashtag, which I'm going to run across the screen in your description box. And the hashtag is hashtag Winter Fireplace 20. The upload date for this challenge is December 4th, 2020. And the upload time is 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, which is 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, each year I always throw something in that's required to be in your decor. And I thought long and hard about this. So this year, your required piece for your fireplace is a gnome. Yes, a gnome. I don't care if it's a small itty bitty one, a large one, but you must have a gnome somewhere in your fireplace decor. Now, I'm really looking forward to see what everyone comes up with this year. I've been doing this now, I think for this would be my 5th year, I think, for the fireplace challenge. If you're going to participate in this challenge, let me know down below with I'm in the fire, and I will look for your video. Now, if you have any questions or concerns about this challenge, please feel free to contact me. My email is listed down below.